So I'm in Microsoft Word right now, and what I really want to do is have my curly quotes, those smart quotes, disabled just for one sentence or just for one single quote. Because what's happening is I'm at the end of this quote here and I want to close it out and it's the wrong way and I don't know how to fix that. So let's take a look at how you can get these to be just those regular straight quotes. And you might have just seen it. All you have to do, you have these quotes here, just hit Ctrl Z, or if you're on a Mac, Command Z. If you want to replace these up here, delete them, add them back in, Ctrl Z, and now they're just those straight quotes. And this won't affect any other documents. You'll still have those curly quotes or those smart quotes there. If you want to get rid of them in all of your documents, so you only have straight quotes, go to File. You've got to go all the way down to Options, Proofing, Autocorrect Options, and then find the tab. There's different ones. Find the tab that says Auto Format as you type, and then say No Straight Quotes. But I like the smart quotes in general, so I'm going to leave them. I just need the straight quotes every once in a while. That's it. It's Dr. B. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.